Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making this delicious banga soup. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. So here are my ingredients that I'm going to be using for this delicious soup. That is my palm fruit. This is my periwinkle. I'm using periwinkle without the shell. This is the banga spice. Crayfish. I'm going to blend that crayfish later. This is the fish I'm going to be using, dry fish, panda fish. So this is my yellow pepper, banga stick, beretete, which is the leaf I'm going to be using for it. Then I'm using beef as my protein for this soup. That leaf, I think it's called beletete, yeah. So firstly, I'm going to be washing the palm fruits. I have to wash it very well to get rid of the dirt and the sand before boiling it. This is the second washing. You can see the second water is still a little bit dirty. And this is the third washing. It's very clean now and ready to go. So I'll put everything inside my pot, add water, cover it and allow it to cook. So I'll cover it and put that on fire, allow it to cook. So the next thing, I'll prepare my protein. The only thing that will be going in my protein is Maggi seasoning, salt and onions. I'll give that a gentle mix, cover it and allow it to boil too. So back to our palm fruit. It is well cooked and soft. So I'll pour it out on my sieve to get rid of that water. So the next thing, I'll be using my mortar and pestle to wash out the oil from the palm fruits. I'm done with that. So I'll be using warm water for this so that the oil can come out very well. The paste, see how thick it is. This palm fruit is very nice. So I'll continue with that process till I've gotten all the oil. So I'm done doing that. I'll sieve it to get rid of if there is any dirty or the bark that gets into it. The net is so thin, so I use this one to get rid of it. You can see the dirty that we got from it. So the next thing is for me to add it into my pot, cover it and let it boil. So I'll be adding in the stick, then I'll cover it and allow it to boil. It is very simple to make. The only hard thing there is just to get the oil out. So I'll add in my periwinkle, add in the crayfish, the seasoning, the banga spice, pepper, that is the crayfish going in. The seasoning powder, salt, mix everything together, cover it and allow it to boil. If you have watched to this extent, please kindly hit the like button. That shows you love this video. Hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed, subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new one. So I'll be adding in all the protein, that is the fish, to our OGs, our returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. Thank you for clicking on that video whenever it pops up to watch. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. And to our new subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you. Please keep the support coming. Watch, subscribe, and share my video to your family and friends. Like I told you before, this palm fruit is so good. Look at the oil that is coming out of it. The more it's boiling, the more the oil is coming out. I have to scoop a little out of it and keep aside. So I'll be removing the banga stick now. Then I'll be adding in the leaf. That banga stick, I know some people will ask what is it for. It's for flavor. To me, if I didn't add it to my banga soup, banga stew, I won't get that real banga taste. So I love to add it. So guys, what swallow do you like to use for your banga? Is it starch, pounded yam, semo? Which one do you like? Me, I like starch and pounded yam, and I also like taking it with white rice as I am doing now. Thank you all so much for your support. See you all in my next one. Bye.